Tai mes pirmą sušnekėsiu, o paskui jum išversime.
Hotel Czechia, dobrý večer.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Oh, that's great, you speak English. Tell me please, you have free rooms for this weekend in your hotel?
Just a minute, I look in my computer.
Okay.
This weekend, you mean from Friday?
I mean from Friday to Sunday.
To Sunday? Yeah, we have free rooms.
You have something better than just a double room?
Double room? Yeah, I have.
You have a double room, and also I have a question. Ar esi kada nors per galvą gavus laužtuvų taip stipriai, kad atsirišo raištukai batų? Maybe you know.
Excuse me?
You didn't understood me, yeah?
No.
No, it's a kind of a room. Kai tau trenkia su laužtuvu per galvą, you know?
No, I don't understand you.
Oh.
You must speak English only.
Yes, it's in English. Maybe you can ask someone else to the phone, please. I will try to explain it.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, thank you. I'm waiting.
You mean another person?
Yeah, another person.
Alone here. Yeah, you.
Oh, you're all alone.
What do you need?
You know, it's a very popular room. I'm from London, and in London we have such a kind of rooms. Name is laužtuvas. And nori aš to su laužtuvu per galvą užduosiu stipriai? All right. Maybe you speak French. You don't.
You don't speak. You are calling from which country?
I'm calling from France.
From France?
Yes. You don't have any French. Maybe in the kitchen you have some French people.
In kitchen? No, only Czech people.
Oh, you don't have kitchen?
We have kitchen.
Oh, you have kitchen. All right. So try to call. It's daytime. Maybe there will be more people.
Maybe.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Good night.
Oi, čia.
Nu, toksai paprastas.
Tai, kas nesuprato, Rolandas paskambino ir užsisakė kambarį,
norėjau savaitgalį.
Ir paklausė, ar gali atsakyti vieną klausimą. Tas klausimas skambėjo lietuviškai. Ar esi gavus kada nors su lomziku per galvą, kad šnerelė atsirištų?